Hey guys, how's it going? It's David Automotive Talk. We're over here at Cure Cannabis in Auburn for a little car meet. Got some really cool cars here. We're gonna go check them out and see if we can talk to some people. Cure Cannabis. How you guys doing? When are you guys on this? No?
I wish. We were trying to
I followed you on YouTube.
Oh, dude?
Yeah, I like the vids at the meets.
Thank you. Yeah, I figured I'm late today, but
Oh yeah.
I just got here.
Yeah.
Glad I came.
It's
huge. They're not huge, but a lot of cars. It's on them too though. It's 325. That's alright. Of course, got this nice little 260Z with a .383, I believe. I think. If I remember correctly. Recognize the Subaru too. One of these guys I haven't seen in a while. I think it's nice. SUBARU. Hyundai. Done-up truck. Roadmaster.
Really?
Yeah, cool. Old road boat right here. RSX. This belongs to Chris. S2000. That is nice. Oh, weird. It's like Instagram. Henderson S2000 underscore Henderson underscore S2000. This is a Cobra too, isn't it?
Yep. 78 302 automatic. 113,000 on it.
Nice. I like it. You don't see these ever.
Yeah, I got. This is actually my mother's, and I got one too. That's a '76. It was my grandfather's. Kept them, and they all disappeared. And now everybody
Want them?
Everybody goes nuts over them, seeing them.
What color was the one you got?
It's the blue with the white stripes.
Nice. Back in Ford's, well, not that they've ever really been good, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, I got a '93 straight 6 F-150, and that thing's been,
Can't kill those.
yeah, wicked dependable.
Is that a stick or is that a?
My truck,
Yeah.
Automatic.
Old GMC.
I've seen
Those
this
marijuana mysteries.
But when
And it's on podcast or?
with a Z, you know, so if you enter this, it'll give you the Z's.
I'm just
Talk to us.
supporting bringing
Me
water.
too, man. Listen, man.
No worries.
Fellas, listen to the show.
Yeah, I don't know much. I'm not in the whole podcast world, so I don't
I'm
know.
a sativa guy, that's
It's
why I
just
bring
one
you
more
guys.
platform. Just put your
With that being said, talk to us
YouTubes on the
about the
podcast. You
party,
got
dog.
one, like you should.
Yeah, I'll have to check that out. I thought about it, but
This is actually my
thank you.
Hold up, rewind.
That's
Before
nice.
we get to that one, how did you get into the audience series?
My first car was actually an Audi.
That's-
I got it
These guys.
from older lady. She didn't know what's wrong with her, so I got it.
Yeah.
Got it $500 here. Hopefully Audi
Nice.
before.
Boom, dude. No way, bro. That just blew my mind.
But not too.
How's it going?
Blue Colorado?
This one's yours, right?
Yeah, it's mine.
Yeah, so I met you before.
Right, yeah. Yeah, I got bags on and everything by now. And then I'll rewrap.